Every single day, billions of people type a secret string of text to unlock their lives and their daily activities to roll on. Yes, we are talking about passwords. Passwords have been the foundation of digital security since the birth of the internet. We trust them to lock away our money, our memories, and our private conversations. But the truth is, this classic defense system is fundamentally broken and failing us nowadays. The human brain was never designed to remember dozens of complex, unique character combinations. To survive, most people take shortcuts that destroy their security altogether. We reuse the same simple phrases across multiple websites out of pure convenience. This means a single data leak can completely compromise your entire digital existence and poses a huge threat to all your data as well as things. Every year, billions of credentials are stolen and sold on the dark web. The traditional password has turned from a digital shield into a massive liability. Hacking is no longer just a person guessing secrets in a dark room. Cybercriminals now deploy incredibly powerful automated tools that run non-stop. Brute force algorithms can test billions of common combinations in a matter of seconds. Even worse, artificial intelligence is now being trained to predict human behavior patterns, like emotional changes, their triggers, likes. AI can guess your next password variations based on your basic public data. Then, there was the persistent threat of sophisticated phishing attacks arriving daily. Brilliant hackers create perfect replicas of major websites to trick your eyes. The moment you type your login secret, you hand over complete access willingly.
No matter how long your password is, it cannot protect against a trick page. If the code exists in your head, it can eventually be stolen from you. To fix these critical flaws, the tech industry introduced temporary security band-aids. Password managers became highly popular to help store hundreds of complex credentials securely. But these central vaults create a single point of absolute failure. If a password manager company gets breached, your entire life is exposed instantly, which is highly risky for the users. Next came two-factor authentication, forcing us to wait for confirmation codes. Next came two-factor authentication, forcing us to wait for confirmation codes. SIM swapping attacks allow criminals to easily hijack your phone number entirely. Entering multiple codes every single day destroys the smooth user experience. We are constantly building taller walls around a foundation that is fundamentally rotting. It is time to abandon the old system entirely and change the game completely. A revolutionary new global movement is quietly paving the way for a passwordless world. The goal is to eliminate human memory from the login equation completely. Instead of proving what you know, you now prove who you are. Biometrics have evolved from science fiction concepts into our primary daily shield. Your unique facial geometry or fingerprint cannot be duplicated by a distant hacker. Hardware security keys offer physical, un-hackable protection for absolute peace of mind. These physical tokens
must be present to unlock your most critical accounts. Then there are magic links that bypass the traditional password form entirely. But the ultimate weapon replacing passwords permanently is called a passkey. This technology represents the biggest leap in consumer security in 30 years. Passkeys rely on advanced cryptography, but using them is incredibly simple. Every time you create an account, two distinct digital keys are generated. The first piece is the public key, which is stored openly by the website. The second piece is the private key, which never leaves your local device. Your device locks this private key behind your Face ID or fingerprint scan. When you log in, the website challenges your device to solve a math puzzle. Your phone solves it instantly using the private key, without ever sharing it. Because the website never holds your secret, there is nothing for hackers to leak. Even if you fall for a phishing scam, a fake site cannot request your passkey. It turns the most vulnerable part of security into a bulletproof, automated process. The world's biggest technology companies have already united to support this change. Passkeys are now active on major platforms like Amazon, Google, and TikTok. You can turn this feature on right now in your security settings. It takes less than 60 seconds to completely immunize your accounts from phishing. The days of frantic password resets and locked accounts are drawing to a close. We are finally entering an era where digital safety doesn't require constant friction. Take control of your data privacy by upgrading to Passkeys today, but also keep
an eye on modern advancement in AI because it is able to breach many security systems. If you want to stay ahead of digital threats, give this video a like.